What is up, guys? I look like crap. Okay, so you can obviously see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my special effects makeup, because I do special effects makeup all the time on my Instagram, and everyone wants to know how I do it. So I'm gonna just show y'all. So essentially, all you need for special effects makeup is liquid latex and either tissues, one-ply toilet paper, or cotton balls. Or if you want to make fake skin, you can always look up how to do that as well. I know I got a little lipstick on right here. I had my makeup on all day at work, so we gotta take my lipstick off in order to do this. Oh, and fake blood. Obviously you need fake blood. So can I just tell y'all that I'm just so tired of people. I'm tired of human beings. I'm tired. And I can't get this makeup wipe down here. So just take off whatever you have going on. Oh, so I should probably tell you guys what special effects I'm doing right now. I got my inspiration from, it was either Pinterest or Instagram. If I can find what I'm going to be doing, I'll definitely put it somewhere in this video, but I probably won't find it because I'm really stupid. But if I do, I'll display it right here. But basically, if I don't find the picture, I'm going to be doing, looks like all of this is gone. Oh, where's my mirror? There it is. Found it. I do recommend that you guys put your hair back when you do special effects makeup, only so you don't or get your hair stuck in anything, especially liquid latex. And I keep dropping my mirror. It keeps falling, so. Okay, I just need to figure out how to keep this up, because it keeps falling and falling from imbalancement. All right, that wasn't even a word, but you know what? I was homeschooled, so just ignore me. Made up words. So you're gonna trace what you want to be just gone. So that's right here is what's gonna be gone and eaten flesh. My back is killing me. Oh, you also need foundation. I'm just gonna keep forgetting things to mention, and I'm gonna end up mentioning it later. So just bear with me here. Also, if you see these two little circles right here, it's because I was wearing my glasses today, and I just didn't feel like touching up my makeup, so. So to start, all you really need to do is just line that area with liquid latex. So liquid latex that I'm using right now is, I don't even know what brand. I got it at Primark because it was on sale, and I mean, obviously if it's on sale, I'm gonna buy it. It's actually more so like ripped skin. And this is where you're gonna line your cotton. Like cotton balls, you can just rip them up and line them against the side of your face, because it has to be like, it has to have that dimension to it, so it looks like it was actually ripped up and it doesn't just look like, it has to be clumpy along the line. If need be, you can always do multiple layers of it. And honestly, the best thing to do when you're doing special effects makeup, you just have to be patient. You have to be hella patient for this, because if you just try to rush through and skip steps, then it's gonna turn out hella janky, like hella. So this right here, I'm just gonna take and put right along that line that we just did with the liquid latex. It doesn't have to look perfect either, just keep that in mind. It does not have to look perfect, because you're literally just making this look like your skin was just ripped from your face. So after you do that, you're going to apply liquid latex over it, and this part is so tedious because you have to take your time. If you're not super careful and you don't take your time, it's gonna come out bad. Basically what you're gonna do with that liquid latex is just flatten this to your face as much as you can, because it has to have that, like I said, the dimension and the bump in it. You want it to have the 3D effect. Alright, so this is kind of what you're finished, not you're finished, but what you're gonna look like after you put more liquid latex on top. So what you're gonna do now is, while it's like tacky and not fully dry, you're going to take like some kind of tweezers or some metal, like pointy-ish, not pointy, don't hurt yourself, please don't hurt yourself. Found the tweezers. So what you're gonna do is take like the end of your tweezers and kind of push up, because you want it to look like it's ripped up, coming this way. If that makes any sense. The doors OPEN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. So once it's all pushed up like that, you're gonna go ahead and apply more liquid latex to the under area. So like all right here. Let your emotion waterfall on me. And you're also going to be applying your one-ply toilet paper or your tissues, depending on what you decide to use. That is your decision. I personally prefer one-ply toilet paper to use for this process, only because it's thinner and it's easier to work with. I'm gonna tell you guys the truth, this does hurt to peel off, so just keep that in mind. And it doesn't have to look smooth, because this is all gonna look hella messy in a minute. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Okay, I couldn't even talk or breathe the entire time having that in or on my face. Ew. It was so gross. Okay. You like this makeup look that I did today? I look so disgusting, but subscribe to my channel and let me know if you want to see me do another special effects video, or if you just want me to do another story time, or whatever the case may be. Just let me know and I will try my best to do it. Like I said, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and we are at 837 subscribers as of the last time that I checked, so make sure you subscribe and let's hit 1,000 by February, if not March, but let's try our best to hit it by February. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I need to go wash my face now, but like I said, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.